Hey students, a very good evening to all of you guys. How are you? I hope you all are well and staying at home with a safe zone. Today we are going to learn about the topic series. And I before starting my today's session, I want to let you inform that I have started my morning session, that is 6 a.m. as you all guys know that. In today's my 6 a.m. session, I discuss syllogism topics only and only a few case. So if you are any of you are having a query and want to learn in a bilingual form, so go and visit on Ada 24/7 Banker YouTube channel and watch my morning 6 a.m. session for clarifying your concepts with only and only a few. And I also want to tell you that in tomorrow's session, we are going to learn about can be and can never be. So, those who are having a query in can be and can never be, so come and join my early in the morning 6 a.m. session daily, which is going on. I'm telling you with the concepts and the short tricks how to solve this type of questions whenever you see in the exam. So today we are going to start the session. First question is on your screen with the series question. I provide you 10-10 second timer with this. So I'm starting with this. Try to solve by yourself. I hope so you all guys have done with the solution. Just have a look about the solution. In this question, it is saying that 2 is added in all the odd digits. In odd digits. 1, 4, 5, 1. This is your digit. And 2 is subtracted from all even number. 2 is subtracted from all even digits. So, here 3 is an odd number, odd digit. So, we add 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 2. Here is your minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 2 and plus 2. After solving the completion, you will find that here is your 5, 4 and the 6. Here you receive plus 2, that is 3, 2 and here is your 7. Here you receive a 4, 2 and 9. Next one you receive a 0. 2 minus 2, 0, 9 and 4. Here you receive 2, 7 and 3. Now the question was, so attempt the highest number. What is the highest number after doing the arrangement? We have to identify the highest number. 0, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 546 will be the highest number of all of the above numbers, and we will receive 546 from 368. So 368 will be the right answer for this question, which we are having a third option. Third option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, just try to solve yourself. I am providing you 10 seconds to solve this question. Don't be confused in this question, as you all guys can see the digits. I again tell you, this 1, 2, 3, this is only a single number is known as your digit. The pair of numbers is known your complete number. So here is a digit, or you can say that ank in Hindi. So if all the digits are arranged in descending order, that means larger, smaller, smaller and smaller. Descending order, larger, smaller, smaller and smaller. So within the number, then what is the difference? Okay, fine, we will read it after some time. Just before that we completed it here. We have to arrange it in descending order. 8, 6, 3, 5, 4, 1, 7, 6, 4, 7, 6, 2, 5, 4, 1. Here is asking what is the difference between highest number. Highest we are having a 863 and the lowest number we are having a 2 places 541. Either of them we have written here. So the right answer will be the 322, and we are having 322 in a option number A. For here the answer will be the first option. A option will be the right answer. But now the question raised, ma'am, is there always it is asking from the difference? No, it may be asking from your total or the addition of any two numbers, or multiplication of any two number, or a product of two number, you can say that, or the division of any of the two numbers. So whatever the condition is asked from you, just perform the task and you will receive the right answer from the question. Coming on the next one, here it is asking from you from the alphabets. So as you can see the numbers, just read the instruction and solve the alphabetical questions also. I am providing you a 10 seconds timer. Okay, fine. Let's have a look about the solution. If all the words are arranged according to the alphabetical series from right to left, that means A to Z. A to Z from right to left, and from left to right, that is Z to A. So the question is, which of the following is third from the left side after arranging the words? So the largest word, we can say that, first of all we can see here T, B, E. Then S we are having, and S we are having. This is on the second place, and the third place is SKM from the third from left side. So SKM will be the right answer for this question. If you are having any query in this question, I again prefer pause the video and rewind it and again watch it, the sequence. Coming on the next question, I am providing you again a 10-second timer. Just read the instructions and try to solve these questions. Okay, done. The timer has done. Now here the only generalized instructions are given to you. If each letter in the word are arranged in alphabetical series, then how many words will remain whose second letter will remain the same? How many words are there whose second letter will remain the same? Just have a look about it. Alphabetical order, L and N not included, D, S not included, A and B not included, L and P, yes of course P will be the right answer, B and E not included, K and M not included, because we have to focus on the second letter as it is given over here. So we can find it, there is only one, that is LPV. So we have a one option in a B option. B option will be the right answer for this question. I am providing you two questions as an homework question as I go through. We go through with the sequence today's session. Just try to solve this question and answer me in the comment section of this question. If you like my session, do hit the likes button and answer me the homework question in a comment section. Do share the link of the class today as much as you can, and do subscribe Adda 24/7 Bankers YouTube channel. And I'll let you inform that tomorrow at 6 a.m. we are going to learn about the difference between, what is the difference between can be and can never be. This is your bilingual session. Hindi and English, both the questions are available, or we can say that the questions are available in both the forms, Hindi and English, and I can explain you in both the forms, English and Hindi. So make it sure, join there, join me there at 6 a.m. You are watching the session of Neerja ma'am only on Adda 24/7. Thank you for watching my session. We will meet you on tomorrow's session at morning. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.